All right, well, hopefully y'all enjoy those angles. I tried to give like a little video, but it started getting hella packed, and then my phone started getting called a lot, and it started to overheat, like get real hot. But we end up fully washing the car. I'll show you guys what the car looks like. But we had to come get, you know, some little good eats real quick. Some steak, crazy puffs. Never tried them. It's gonna be my first time. So I was like, you know what? Fuck it, let's get it. They were the only ones they had, you know, ready to go. So I was like, hey buddy, ready to go? Let me get them. I don't feel like waiting. I don't want to do none of that right now. I feel like going back to the pad, relax, and then I got to do some other stuff I got to take care of. So yeah, that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the, you know, the little mini POV of the Q. I actually forgot to wipe this down, so I'm glad I seen this. I gotta wipe it down with Kleenex. But those of you guys that have like the screens like this, bro, what is the best thing to use? I try to use Windex, you know, and it works, but like when the windows go down, it starts getting smudgy and shit like this. Like, how do I fix this? Like, what's the best product to use for the screens like this? Even this, I mean, Windex pretty much cleans this. That's why it looks clean on the camera. It's pretty clean. But this, it starts leaving smudges. If like I have any of the windows down or the AC's on, it just leaves hella smudges. So can you guys let me know, any of you guys that, you know exactly what I'm talking about or dealing with, can you guys let me know what you guys use to fix that problem? You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, the journey of the Q is to come. Don't worry about that light. I told you guys the reason our tire light is on is because we got new tires. You guys seen in the last thumbnail, we're not on stock Infinity tires, but I did not put the tire sensors in the new tires, so that's why my tire light is on. And I don't really want to like cut it off, you know, so I'm eventually going to buy new tire sensors because I like, yeah, it's the lazy way, whoop-de-whoop, whatever you want to say, but I like personally going here and seeing my PSI when I'm driving. You feel me? Yeah, the car will let me know, it'll auto alert, like, you know, if my tire is down, but that's with the tire sensors. You know what I'm saying? So I like doing that. I like seeing my PSI in the tires. I don't know, it's just a personal preference. So I'm obviously gonna, you know, put them back on. I need to get gas. Y'all see them 51 miles? It's crazy. But yeah, gonna put them back on. The tire shop told me they'll only charge me $15 for each one. So what's that? 15 is that 30? So $60, you feel me, to put each one on. I think it was 10 to 15, one of the two. If I catch them on a good day, you feel me, it might go down to 10. But yeah, either way, you know what I'm saying, they're gonna get put back on because I like personally clicking through the buttons and seeing my tire pressure, you feel me? But that being said, if there's not another part in this video of, you know, the Q, then I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that subscribe button. You know, we're on the road to building this community, this family, you know, over here. And yeah, it's strictly car content and vlogs and, you know, stuff to do with the Q and me. So that being said, if you guys enjoy it, have anything you guys want me to do to the Q, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. I will catch you on the next one.